My greetings to the organizing committee. My name is Dmytro Khlaponin. I'm associate professor of the Department of Political Sciences and Law of Kyiv National University of Construction and Architecture. I want to present you my paper, Features of Industry 4.0 and Mechanisms of State Management of Manufacturing in Current Global Economic Situation. The first issue of my paper is the meaning and advantages of Industry 4.0. Smart industry refers to the technological evolution from embedded systems to cyber-physical systems. Industry 4.0 consists of the following spheres: smart transportation and logistics, smart buildings, oil and gas, smart healthcare, and smart cities. Digital transformation, interconnectedness, and new manufacturing technologies related to Industry 4.0 offer such opportunities. New business models, sustainable and efficient use of limited resources, the cost-effective production of highly customizable products, reduction of costs, acceleration of production times, and exceptional customer support. Internet. The second issue is Internet of Things technology as an integral component of Industry 4.0. According to the study from the MPI group in 2021, 31% of production processes now incorporate smart devices and embedded intelligence. 34% of manufacturers have plans to incorporate IoT technology into their processes. 32% of manufacturers plan to embed IoT technology into their products. The next issue is technology convergence becomes technology fusion. The convergence of information technology and operations technology includes cybersecurity, which helps fill existing security gaps and ensures consistent security levels across the entire organization. The convergence also includes the integration of power and automation, which involves converging information about electrical assets and the production process to help improve sustainability across the entire life cycle of a manufacturing plant. The next issue is operational resilience becomes a key company objective. The current COVID-19 pandemic leads manufacturers to focus on operational resilience as a key corporate objective. Operational resilience means that companies are breaking physical and organizational boundaries to engage a real-time workforce, connecting teams, and enhancing collaboration. A conclusion can be made that one of the key objectives of any manufacturing company is operational resilience, and all management decisions concerning supplies, negotiations with partners, response to customer needs, cybersecurity matters, personal management and safety are made in real time with close collaboration of all members of a team from the lowest level to the top management. Such approach in management of a company is required also because of the current COVID-19 pandemic. The next issue is automated operations become autonomous operations. Accelerated by the COVID-19 pandemic, industry urgently requires new modes of operation. Thanks to advances in digitalization and new open process automation standards, IoT, OT convergence, and digital transformation, manufacturers have an opportunity to move from automated to autonomous operations where appropriate. Today, human operators decide what to do when something unpredictable happens. Tomorrow's autonomous systems may be making those decisions with the humans serving as observers and overseers. The next issue is the state policy of Industry 4.0 implementation and regulation in Ukraine. For the purpose of the Industry 4.0 regulation in Ukraine, the Cabinet of Ministers of Ukraine issued an order dated 17th January 2018 on the approval of the concept of digital economy and society development in 2018-2020 and the plan for its realization. Actually, it is still valid. This order provides that Industry 4.0 is an updated concept of smart manufacturing, which is identified with the fourth industrial revolution and the emergence of cyber-physical systems. Industry 4.0 is the next stage of digitalization of industry, in which the main role is played by technologies and concepts such as the Internet of Things, big data, predictive analytics, cloud computing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, etc. To use the potential of Industry 4.0 in Ukraine, it is important to implement the following initiatives. Targeting, that is analysis and research of industrial sectors in order to assess competitiveness and development prospects. Introduction of modern information technologies in industry or a program of education and transfer of best practices from the IT sector and digital industries to industrial sectors. Engineering clusters is the next initiative. It means that powerful developers in industrial engineering have the opportunity to radically influence industrial innovations, scientific research and development, export marketing. The next initiative is sectoral roadmaps of digital transformation. Other important tasks are the official recognition of international standards, which are the generally accepted basis of Industry 4.0, which comprises about 100 standards. State support for technical committees involved in working on standards related to Industry 4.0 and creation of mechanisms of technology transfer. I have finished my report. I am grateful for your attention and we wish you all the best.